My name is Anu. I'm the president for ASHA this year. So I would just give you a brief introduction about what ASHA is before our next performance. So hope you are all having a good time so far, I guess.
Yeah.
So ASHA for Education is a non-profit organization that supports the education for underprivileged children back in India. So we were started in 1991 in UC Berkeley, and we have like more than 75 chapters worldwide, and we were a registered organization from 1995. So at present, ASHA Purdue has around 25 to 28 volunteers working for that. Apart from these people you are seeing here, there are a couple of others, so there are in total like 28 volunteers working for ASHA Purdue. So I'll just briefly talk about the different projects that we support. So one of the projects is called Manasa. It's in Hyderabad back in India. So Manasa is a school for the mentally handicapped. So we provide financial support for their education. We have provided financial education for building their buildings, and there's like building safe buildings and all those things. We constantly visit and we track their performance, and we are extremely happy about what they do for the society and for the kids back there. Till 2014, we have raised around $21,329, and this year, like 2014, we had a work and hour donation, which I guess most of you also donated, and we had a target to raise $9,500, and we were successful in raising $9,500, and all those money will go towards Mansa School for the betterment of the children. Thank you. One of the next project which we have been funding from 2012 is called Diksha, which is in Patna. And Diksha is like more like a tutoring service for the children who are living in basically slums back there. So for them to go to the primary education, like the government schools and all, we provide, like the Diksha school provides supplementary education for them to make them, to enable them to go to the school of their level and continue with their education. So we have provided financial support, like financial support for the teachers. We have set up a computer lab for them. We also given them like tablets and all. So we have been working them for quite a while, like 2012. We constantly monitor their progress, like we hold conference call with all the people there. We have talked with the students. Whenever the volunteers go back to India, we visit them. So we have a very good relationship with them so far. So we have raised around $11,036 for Diksha Patna so far, and we are planning to continue supporting Diksha in future as well. The third project which we recently started like in 2013 is called Sai Basundara. This is basically an orphanage back in Cuttack, Orissa. So mainly for girls. So we support for their education and other activities back in Cuttack. So we have been supporting it from 2013. So it's a new project for us. We have given them like $3,000 so far, and we are happy so far with their performance. So whatever money that we raised will go to them, and we'll be continuing to support them in future. So I'll just talk about one of the activities that we do. We just recently got over this year. It's called WA campaign. WA means work and hour. It basically means you donate an hour worth of your salary, whatever you earn. So we had done this for Manasa this year, and we raised like $9,500 thanks to all of you. So we will have this every semester, like spring semester and fall semester. So when it comes to the next semester, please generously donate as you always do. Apart from like raising money, we are also thinking about solving some of the issues back with the education system. So we all know there are teachers and all, but there are like limited resources available, or there are many educational content available online, but they are not organized properly for the students to benefit from them. And another important problem that we have back in India is like, we don't have enough teachers, or we don't get enough qualified teachers to support the children back there. So what we thought of is Project Arush. So what Project Arush is, we have an online web portal where we collect all the video lectures and we send it to the students. The students can easily find these lectures and learn from them. So this is a new project that we are building the website. We are trying to gather as much as educational outreach and design it so that even the basic level people who doesn't have much experience with using internet can easily get access to it and use them. So we have a good functioning website right now, and we are actually looking for volunteers who can help us with web development, finding good educational content out there in the web. There are like plenty in the web. We just want to find them and organize it, or even make videos of lectures. So our team actually made like I think 3 or 4 videos, which is like doing basic math, like addition, subtraction, and all. And mostly these videos will be in like native languages, not in English. So to help the students. So this is a new project, and we are actually looking for more volunteers on this back here. Just this slide, I'll just explain about what are the different activities that we do to raise money. So as you all know, you are in Tamasha. We do Tamasha. This is the 3rd year that we are doing Tamasha, and it's quite successful, and we are really happy about the whole event. We also do Global Fest, which happened in August 31st. It happens in the Lafayette Community Center, and we prepare food, representing the Indian community, and we sell the food. We prepare it ourselves, sell the food, and make money out of it. We also do movie screening. So if you guys remember, like spring of last year, we did a global film festival. We screened like plenty of movies, like including Oscar-nominated movies, and that was a big success for us. So hopefully we'll be continuing to do that. Like we'll continue to do a global film festival or like a couple of movie screenings next semester. We also hold like Tamasha. We did it like in August again. It's more like a call-out event where we play Indian fun games like Antakshari, Dumb Charades, and all those things, where people come and enjoy a lot. And we also do one of our major events like the 5K run. This happens usually during spring, and we also did it during summer last year. So this is a pretty successful event, so look out for the 5K during spring and please participate in that. And finally, we also have like invited speakers. So 2 days back, this Wednesday, we did have like Dr. Ravi Kuchimanchi, who was like, if I put it in simple words, he's the one whom the film Swadesh is based on. So he was here on Wednesday, and he was giving a talk, and there were like plenty of people attending, and everyone was really motivated by that speech. So we do a lot of such activities, and please look out for our events and do come for our events as well. We have like plenty of collaborators, as you know. So IWA, Indian Women's Association, is like our biggest collaborators. We collaborate with them, different things like 5K, internship. They also perform for us, as you know, the wonderful girls do. Then we have the Indian Graduate Student Association, IGRASP. We are also partnering with like IGMAP and PIDC. Like they perform for us for free. They are very good organizations. And the PISA, Purdue Student Union Board, like help us in screening some of the movies as well. Now, important question, how can you help? So, you can always help by donating. We always welcome donations, we are very generous. So, you can spread the word, like tell others about Asha so that we get more donations. And we also get more volunteers to help us during our events. And yeah, so spread the words, help, join Asha if you can, and help us organizing events like these, or give us new ideas of how to raise money. Different ideas. You all will have wonderful ideas, so we welcome all those so that we can raise more money and awareness. And you can also join the Project Arush team that I explained before, which kind of involves slight of if you want to do web development, you need to have some web development expertise, or you can help us in like making videos or like finding content and like that. So please join us. We have a Facebook group, Google group, Twitter, and all, and you can contact any one of us right here, and you can talk us, like find us here and talk about it. So thank you all for coming. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show, and have a good evening. Thank you.